Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 18th, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. And besides, today in the afternoon, I've already solved three regular puzzles. So it's a lot of puzzles for a day. Okay, the three stars Sudoku number 9454. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. This one has 31 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 6 digits more, 31. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. I need 14 or 13 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, how about the 9 in the third row? 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the column next, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. Right. How about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Well, how about need a yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be here. 3, 3. Then, let's see, 8 and 2. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 8. 8 and 6. Come on. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left with a 2 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 8, 6, 6, 6. Come on. 5, 6, and 8. Okay. 5. 5 and 8. I'm thinking. 8, 8. 8, 8. Come on. Yeah. 3. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 6 here. 5, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 5, 8, 6. 5, 8. I'm thinking. 6, 6. So no 6 there. I need a 6 here. I need a 6 there. That means I need a 6 in one of these two boxes. Okay. Okay, let me put some numbers. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and 7, 8. 9 is missing. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. That means here should be also 6 and 8. And we need a 6 and a 8. We are missing a number here. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Need a 5 here. So the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 here. So this can be 6. So the 8. 6 and 8. Okay. 8 and a 5. 2 numbers left here. In this row, the 8 and the 5. Okay. Here, 2. No. 8, 6, and need a 5 here. About here then 8, 4. I need a 4 here. 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above. So that row only 2 places left before. Could be here, could be there. How about the 9s? Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3, could be here, could be there. Come on. We have a pair now. 1 and a 6 in this row. 1 and a 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6, so I've eliminated here the 9. So the 9 goes here. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 9. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. Yeah, I need a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair to the 5. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, need a 3 here. And I need an 8 here. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 3, 3, 3, okay. Interesting. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 6, here we have a 6. That means in this row, the 6 should be one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so here we have a 6. Here we have a 6. That means in the third column, the 6 should be in one of those two boxes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But it's not helping me. Come on. Need a 5 here. 5, 5, 5. No 5 here. Well, we need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these three boxes. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left of 5 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 5 in the 6, 5 in the 6. So the other two missing numbers in the third column are the numbers the 2, I believe the 8 also. 2 and 8. Yeah. I need 8 here. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Okay. Not helping me. The other pair in this big square, I don't know, it's the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. So it should be the 6 and the 5. Here, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 6. Well, no 8 here. 8, 8. Well, we need an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. No 8 in these three boxes. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in the last column. So no 8 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. So if eliminated here, the 5, 8 and the 5. Here should be the 5 then. Okay. Two numbers left for numbers 8 and the 6. Here, 8 and the 6. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box will be an 8. This box will be 6. 8 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 on an 8, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 on an 8, we have a 2 now, so this box should be an 8. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes here. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 in this row, so this can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3. So one digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 and a 6 need to wait. 4 and an 8 need to wait. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. One box left now in this row for number 1, the 2. No, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing here. Alright. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. So we have a 5 and a 6. And I need an 8 here. Yeah, we need an 8 here. Okay. Oh, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 6 now. In the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now. In this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Well. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm not a 3 stars, not 2 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. Not faster than 30 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.